So I'm reviewing the Vitamer portable mixer. It's a pretty cool device. This is actually my first time using it. It's got a micro USB in the back, so it's got a portable battery. So if you're really one of those people that goes to the gym, or you want to go to work and you don't want to bring something like a NutriBullet with you, this is a pretty good alternative. The only downside, honestly, I've seen thus far is just the top part is pretty narrow, so getting stuff in there with a spoon, just for size, is a little challenging, but otherwise it's pretty cool. Gonna put it together now and try it out. So it just clips onto this base right here, so there's nothing too crazy about it. So I take the base itself, I flip it in, I rotate it to a point, and now it's at a point where it can mix. So it's giving me a red error. I noticed at first it kept giving me a red lighting, but I think it was because all the frozen stuff had fallen to the bottom. So I added a little water. And you can see even at the top, it's touching everything. And it stops. I think it knows it's done. It's quite impressive. So now to take it off and to drink it, you just simply disconnect the bottom from the top, open up the top, and you're good to go. Thanks for watching this video. So it's basically liquefied.